The seed is beautiful. Beautiful, healthy seed. An entire forest can come out of the seed. The soil is not fertile. Throw the seed there, the seed will die. And you can blame it on the seed, but it's not because of the seed. The soil was not ready to absorb it. A very ordinary seed, but the soil was fertile. The soil was able to absorb that seed, nourish it, allow it to sprout, and it has grown into a tree from which a forest will come. To go to the billing section and to realize that he has not brought his wallet, and hence he didn't have the money to pay, is an everyday occurrence that can happen to thousands of people in the world. But the way a person processed that situation, credit cards came into existence. Out of nothing, somebody created an idea, and out of an idea, a revolution happened. He was just walking past grasslands, and when he reached the other end, he saw a lot of those pollinations are stuck into his trousers. He studied how it sticks into those trousers, and out of nothing somebody created an idea. Velcro came into existence. They were given the responsibility of creating adhesives. And somewhere one of the formula with which they created an adhesive failed. They realized it sticks, but it does not stay stuck. And hence the report was it's a failure. But the way somebody saw it, out of nothing, a multi-billion-dollar idea was created. Post-it stickers came into existence. It should stick, but it should not stay stuck. And that's how Post-it came into existence. When you are ready, even an ordinary thought can transform you for a lifetime. When you are not ready, even a scripture cannot have a bearing on you. It can do nothing to you. The very man whose air this place contains, Swami Chinmayananda, was asked in a discourse by one of the seekers, Swamiji, I have gone through Bhagavad Gita so many times, but I don't think my life has changed. Swami Chinmayananda said, it doesn't matter how many times you go through Bhagavad Gita should go through you at least once. Only then you will get transformed, otherwise you do not get transformed. In one sentence, it's all in the within. The world outside is only a stimulant. It's all within. You have prosperity consciousness within you. Everything in the world around will stimulate ideas for prosperity. You have poverty consciousness within you. You have daridra chinta within you. Everything in the world around will only stimulate daridra chinta in you. You have love within you. Even an enemy will kindle love in you. You have hatred within you. Even a lover will make you hate him. You have anger within you. Everything that happens around will kindle that anger in you. You have composure, tolerance and acceptance within you. Even the worst of the situations cannot bring. When you are all love, even the cross will make you say, Lord, forgive them, for they know not what they are doing. If there is absolute tranquility within you, even in the midst of Kurukshetra, as a Krishna, you will still find ways to keep smiling. If when you say, I am always connected to you, and if one person epitomized always connected to you, that spiritual connectivity, it was him, because even when bullets went through him, he could still only utter the name of his Lord, because he was always connected to him. Even bullets brought only devotion out of him and not nafrat out of him. Out of any situation, there are business people sitting here who can create a business model and create prosperity. Even when a family business is handed over, there are some people sitting here who can ensure that nothing is left. You heard of the son who told in a meeting, it's only after I took over my father's business, we have started making money in lakhs. Earlier they used to do money in crores. And some people can ruin any situation out of it. Anything is an opportunity for a few people. Even opportunity is only a difficulty for few people. It's all in the within. When there is silence within you, in the midst of stock exchange, you will still be able to practice that silence within. When there is noise within you, even in a satsang you will sit and only feel like talking with each other. It's all in the within. The world outside is only a stimulant. The disciple asked the master, Master, you and me look the same. Then what's the difference? And the master said, even when I'm talking, I'm silent. Even when you're silent, you're talking. And that's the difference. It's all in the within. The world outside is only a stimulant.